school and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we are going to turn the number 6 into something super cool, a dinosaur. Draw a big number 6 in the middle of your page. This will be the head and the base of our dinosaur. Did you know the Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a walnut? Even though it was as big as a bus, its brain was super tiny. Now that we've finished drawing, it's time to add some color. I'm going to use my favorite colors, but you can pick any colors you love. You can draw this dinosaur for so many fun occasions. Use it to decorate a school project, draw it on a birthday card for a friend, or simply create it when you're feeling creative. Who wouldn't love a dinosaur drawing? Wow, your dinosaur looks fantastic! You did an amazing job turning the number 6 into this super cool dinosaur. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time!